Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to edit your PayPal account details. To begin, log into your PayPal account using your registered email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the settings icon, usually represented by a gear. This will take you to your account overview where you can access various sections for modification. We will cover updating personal information, managing payment methods, and adjusting security settings to ensure your account is always accurate and secure. Updating your personal information is straightforward. You can easily change your name, physical address, or phone number within the profile section. Remember, for certain changes, like your name, PayPal might require you to upload 1 or 2 documents for verification, such as a government-issued ID. Always ensure these details are current to maintain smooth transactions and account security, preventing any potential issues with your financial activities. Managing your payment methods is crucial for seamless transactions. You can add new bank accounts or credit cards or remove old ones that are no longer in use. It's also important to regularly update expiration dates for your cards and verify billing addresses. Reviewing your security settings for linked payment methods, like two-factor authentication, adds an extra layer of protection, safeguarding your financial information against unauthorized access and ensuring peace of mind. Finally, let's look at your email, password, and notification preferences. You can modify your primary email address, which is essential for account communication. For enhanced security, it's wise to reset your password periodically, choosing a strong, unique combination of at least 8 characters. Additionally, customize your notification settings to receive alerts for transactions, ensuring you stay informed about all account activity and can quickly address any suspicious movements.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.